Hello there guys, and welcome back to another video with us here at Jason's Guitar School. So today what we're going to be covering is Wagon Wheel by Darius Rucker or Nathan Carter, whichever version, you just take your pick. So this has your four chords, your G, D, E minor, and C. It's a country style song, so we'll use your country style strumming pattern, your down, down, 1, 2, 3, 4. But it also has a filler strumming pattern that works very well with the country style, and you'll see that come up in more country songs in the future as we go through more and more songs. So the Wagon Wheel looks like this. It has your G, D, E minor, C across the top row and your G, D, C, C on the bottom row. Every second chord starting from G does the country style strumming pattern, so that's your G, E minor, your G and your C, and then every second chord starting from the D does the filler, D, C and D and C. But the song is played in groups of two, so G and D are connected together. So G, the end of G, the 1, 2, 3, 4 is connected to the start of D with the 1, 2, 3, 4. Same with E minor and C, G and D, and same with this C and C here. So if you want, you can write down this song so we can follow along, or you can screenshot and try it on your own. But I'm going to run you through the lesson. We're going to start with this C, C here so we can practice the strumming pattern, and then we'll go through the rest of the chords. So you're into your C chord, guys. We're starting with that country style strumming pattern, down, down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the filler strumming pattern goes 1, 2, 3, 4, up, down, up. So that filler again goes 1, 2, 3, 4, up, down, up. Very relaxed in the wrist. It is a country style, so you just want to let your hand swing up and down. And then together, nice and slow, it goes down, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, down, up. Or you can connect them together and make 8. So you can go down, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up, down, up. So practice that a few times, holding your C chord through that long strumming pattern to get the rhythm of the song. Because even though we'll be changing chords a lot, you'll be doing that same strum pattern over and over and over again. Now, from the start, we have G into D. So we're going to tell our fingers what we want them to do first by doing one strum in G, one strum in D. So they'll know what action to do when we add in the strum pattern. G, D. One strum, G, one strum, D. Once you have that speed of 1 and, you're ready to add in the strumming. So in G, we do our 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we switch to D and do our 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the end of the strum pattern for G and the start of the strum pattern for the D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4. And again, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4. And once you get the hang of that, practice it a good few times. And once you're able to do it without pausing in the middle, so once you're not doing this, if you get that pause and you're not quite ready, slow down your strumming pattern even slower to a speed that your hands can manage. Because even though you'll learn this material very fast, your hands might not be able to keep up with you, and that's where most people get discouraged. They think they should be learning it faster, but it's all up to how fast your hands learn it, not you. So if you are up to speed and you're able to do the G to D without stopping, then we do the full strumming pattern. So we go down, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, up, down, up. And one more time. Down, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, up, down, up. Then we practice our E minor to C the exact same way. So we start with the single strum, E minor 1, C1. And again, E minor 1, C1. And once you get that 1 and, then you are ready to connect them together with the 4 strums. So in E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're able to connect those two together, do the full strumming pattern. Down, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, up, down, up. And again, so E, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, up, down, up. And that's the whole top line and pretty much the bottom line as well, because that's just G, D, C, C, and C, C is the easy combination at the bottom because you don't have to change chords. So guys, once you have the hang of that, I'm going to play it a few bars just to show you what it sounds like, and then you can go off and play it in your own way. So starting from G, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's what the whole thing sounds like once. For the full song, it's played 17 times, those 2 lines. Now there are harder versions out there. You can add in little tabs. What I like to do when I'm strumming is I mess around with my pinky a little bit on some of the chords, so it sounds like this. Okay, and when you get more advanced and we play a bit more tabs and you have more control over your fingers, I'll be going back and showing you how to play these harder versions, throwing in little licks, little random tabs, and how scales can be incorporated into these songs as well, because each song has a key and you can put that relevant key and scale into each song just to mess around with. So that does it for us today, guys. Next week what we're going to be doing is learning 2 little tabs that go along with the song Little Talks that we learned a couple of weeks ago. Okay, so that's it from me, and I will see you again next week.